a linear transformation defined from R cube to R cube is given to us, and with respect to standard order basis of matrices is also given. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0, this is the matrix given to us, and we are seeking to find determinant of this matrix. Because of we have to find eigenvalues, eigenvectors and non-zero null space and a spanning set. For this, eigenvalues and eigenvector are very helpful to answer this question. So first, interchange two rows. It will be reduced in this form 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So determinant of this matrix is negative times of determinant of this matrix, because of we have interchanged two row, and this is a diagonal matrix, and the determinant of diagonal matrix will be as a product of eigenvalue, and eigenvalues of this matrix is same as 1, 1, 1, but one eigenvalue will be negative, because of we are seeking eigenvalue of this matrices. So eigenvalue of this matrix is minus 1, 1, 1. So we are seeking lambda equals to, we are seeking eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to 1. It means we have to simplify a minus lambda I x equals to 0, and a minus lambda I matrix will be minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1. This matrix, and we have to simply apply elementary row operation. After applying elementary row operation, you can see first and last row is in proportional, so you can delete one of them. It means minus x plus z equals to 0. This implies that x equals to z. So two eigenvectors, because of rank of this matrix is 2 and nullity of, sorry, rank is 1 and nullity is 2. So there will be two eigenvector correspond to lambda equals to 1, and x equals to z means 1, 1, and you can put a 0 between them, and 0, 1, 0. So these two vector are Li vector correspond to lambda equals to 1. Again, find lambda equals to minus 1. Eigenvector correspond to lambda equals to minus 1. For this, you have to simplify a minus lambda I x equals to 0 for lambda equals to minus 1. And after putting lambda equals to minus 1, matrix A plus I is 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1. And you can see first and last row is same, so rank of this matrix is 2 and nullity will be 1. It means lambda correspond to lambda equals to minus 1, there will be single eigenvector, and that eigenvector will be 2y equals to 0. It means y equals to 0, and x plus z equals to 0. It means value of y is 0 and 1 minus 1. This vector will be eigenvector correspond to lambda equals to 1, and other two eigenvector as we already find 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0. These three eigenvectors are Li and equals to dimension of R cube. It means they will form bases, and bases is spanning set. So has eigenvector that is span R cube, this option will be true and other will be false. And you can see option B is saying has distinct eigenvalue, but eigenvalue 1 is repeating, so other options will be discard.